Hello students, how are you all? So last time we have studies basic logic gates, that is AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate. So in today class we are going to start further, that is universal logic gate. Okay, what is it? Universal. Okay, let me write it again. Universal logic gates. Okay, universal logic gate. So in this universal logic gate we will study mainly two gate, that are, first one is NAND gate and second is NOR gate. Okay, NOR gate. NAND gate means it is a combination of two gates, that is AND plus NOT. Okay, and NOR gate means it is a combination of two gate, that is OR gate plus NOT gate. Okay, so we are going to write first one is NAND and second one is NOR. Okay, we will study individually both of them. The first one is NAND gate. Same as we will write what is the symbol of NAND gate. Okay, symbol means how we can represent this NAND gate. Okay, as I already told you, this is a combination of AND gate plus NOT gate. Okay, these are inputs A and B and this is output Y. So what I will get, see what is the working of AND gate. AND gate will simply make them multiplication. ओके, एंड गेट जो हमारे इनपुट्स हैं दोनों को सिंपली मल्टीप्लाई कर देगा ए डॉट बी, एंड दिस आउटपुट ऑफ एंड गेट विल एक्ट एज इनपुट फॉर नॉट गेट. ये जो आउटपुट है एंड गेट का, ये हमारा नॉट गेट के लिए एज अ इनपुट की तरह ट्रीट होगा. और जो नॉट गेट का काम क्या होता है, इन दोनों के ऊपर बार लगा देगा. सिंपली जो हमारा इनपुट होता है उसके ऊपर बार लगाना. ठीक है, तो दिस इज़ द फाइनल आउटपुट ऑफ नैंड गेट. ये नैंड गेट का फाइनल आउटपुट है. और अगर मैं इन दोनों को कंप्रेस कर दूं, ठीक है, तो इन दोनों को कंप्रेस करके ये वाला गेट है और जो ये वाला गेट है, इन दोनों को मैं अगर कंप्रेस कर देता हूँ तो मेरे को एक कंप्रेस्ड सिंबल मिलेगा. और जो कैसा लिखूँगा मैं, ऐसा सिंपली एक एंड गेट के आगे एक छोटा सा डॉट लगा दूंगा. तो ये किसका सिंबल हो गया, नैंड गेट का. और इसका आउटपुट होगा ए डॉट बी का बार. क्लियर है, ए डॉट बी का बार. ठीक है, अब हम देखेंगे इसकी ट्रुथ टेबल क्या होगी. इसकी ट्रुथ टेबल क्या होगी, तो इसलिए मैं फिर से एक टेबल बनाऊंगा. ए बी इसके इनपुट होंगे और वाई इसका आउटपुट होगा. ठीक है, ए बी और y इजकल टू ए डॉट बी का बार. ठीक है, अब मैं डिफरेंट इनपुट्स लूँगा. सपोज करो 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. ठीक है, अब हम देखेंगे इनके लिए क्या क्या आउटपुट्स आएंगे. अगर दोनों 0 0 हैं तो यहाँ पे रख के देख लेते हैं. 0 डॉट 0 का बार इजकल टू 0 का बार, और 0 का उल्टा क्या होता है, 1. 0 का बार मतलब 0 का उल्टा, तो क्या हो गया, 1. ठीक है, सेकंड 0 1, 0 मल्टीप्लाई 1 का बार, 0 के मल्टीप्लाई 1 में होगी तो क्या होगा, 0 का बार इक्वल टू 1. तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा, 1. ऐसे ही थर्ड में 1 डॉट 0 का बार, 1 डॉट 0 मतलब 1 मल्टीप्लाई 0 कितना हो गया, 0. तो 0 का बार कितना हो जाएगा, 1. अगेन आई विल गेट 1. 1 डॉट 1, 1 डॉट 1 का बार, 1 डॉट 1 क्या होता है, 1 1 जा 1, 1 का बार अगेन 0. तो आई एम गेटिंग 1 in first 3 cases and 0 in last 1 case. So you have to remember this truth table. Okay, what I have done, I have done this NAND gate symbol and also truth table, and this is the Boolean expression y is equal to a dot b का बार. Okay, Now we are moving forward to our second gate, that is NOR gate. Second one is NOR gate. NOR gate. NOR gate, I already told you, it is a combination of two gates, that is OR gate plus NOT gate. Okay, OR gate plus NOT gate, combination of two gates. Now let's see what is the symbol of this gate. Symbol, this is the as I already told you, this is a combination of OR gate or NOT gate. So symbol means like, what is the symbol of OR gate? OR gate will be like pan ka patta type of thing. Okay, two inputs A or B and one output. Okay, this output will act as input for NOT gate, like this. So after passing through the OR gate, we will get A plus B, and this A plus B act as input for NOT gate, and after passing through the NOT gate, I will get A plus B ka bar. So this is the final output of NOR gate. Final output of NOR gate. If I'll compress this, then I'll get like this. In exams you will get this symbol. Okay, in exams you will get this symbol. So remember this, y is equal to A plus B ka bar. This is the final expression. This is the final output. Okay, A plus B का बार, सिंपल है, A plus B का whole bar. Okay, and this is the symbol of NOR gate. NOR gate का symbol है ये. Now we'll see truth table. Truth table again. We are going to make a simple table like this. These are A, B, y is equal to A plus B ka bar. Okay, again two inputs in four possible ways: 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. We will check for all cases. Okay, if I am taking 0 0 0 0 means 0 plus 0 का बार. 0 plus 0 क्या होता है? 0 का बार is equal to 1. तो I will get 1. For second case, 0 plus 1 का बार, 0 plus 1 1 1 का बार is equal to 0. 1 plus 0 का बार, that is 1, that is again 0. 1 plus 1 का बार, 1 plus 1 is 1 in case of binary numbers. These are binary numbers na, 0 1. So 1 plus 1 is not equal to 2. I have already told you in the last class. So 1 plus 1 is 1, 1 ka bar 0. Again I will get here 0. Okay, so in last three cases I am getting 0, and in first case I will get 1. Okay, you should remember this truth table. No need to remember, just remember this expression, then you can easily calculate like this as I have calculated here. Okay, so no need to remember. So in this video I have completed NAND gate and NOR gate. Okay, there is one more thing. I have told you universal logic gate. So why we call it as universal? This should be also known to you, na? Why we are calling this universal logic gate? So what is the basic meaning of universal? Universal is an English word, and we should know what is the basic meaning of universal. Okay, universal means anything which is any quantity which is same for all the things in universe. जो एक यूनिवर्स एक ऐसी चीज़ होती है यूनिवर्सल, अगर हम बोलेंगे कि these two logic gates are universal. So this means that we can derive any logic gate with the help of these two logic gates. Okay, for example, if I have NAND gate. Okay, let's say I have hundreds of NAND gate. 100 NAND gate, and I want to, I do not have any other gate. Okay, I have only NAND gate. How much? 100. And I want to derive NOR OR gate. I want to derive OR gate from these NAND gate only. Okay, so यूनिवर्सल लॉजिक गेट मीन्स मैं इन नैंड गेट की हेल्प से, ओके, मैं नैंड गेट की हेल्प से और गेट भी बना सकता हूँ और एंड गेट भी बना सकता हूँ एंड नॉट गेट भी बना सकता हूँ. ओके, so with this help of NAND gate I can derive any kind of gate out of these three. Similarly from NOR gate also, I can derive any one of these three gates. Similarly NOR gate की हेल्प से भी मैं इनमें से तीनों में से कोई सा भी गेट बना सकता हूँ. ओके, सो दैट्स वाई वी कॉल इट एज यूनिवर्सल लॉजिक गेट, NAND गेट एंड NOR गेट. इसीलिए हम NOR गेट और NAND गेट को यूनिवर्सल लॉजिक गेट बोलते हैं. इज दैट क्लियर? Is that clear to everyone? So you should know what is AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, and you should also know what are the universal logic gates, NAND gate and NOR gate. Usually this question can be asked in 1 mark. What are the universal logic gate? Then you have to write NAND gate and NOR gate simply, and you will get 1 mark or 2 mark easily. Okay. If examiner will ask you in detail, then you can write NAND gate symbol, truth table, expression, and all the things. Okay, so in upcoming videos I will derive how we can derive the NAND gate, OR gate from NAND gate, AND gate from NAND gate, NOT gate from NAND gate, and similarly OR gate from NOR gate, AND gate from NOR gate, and NOT gate from NOR gate. Okay, so keep in touch with me, you will get all the contents here. Okay, thank you.